Hey everyone, Steven TheSalonGuy here, and I've got Brandon with me. Brandon has been on my channel before as a model, and his hair has grown out quite a bit. As you can see, look how long his hair is. I know a lot of you want to have your hair longer like this, and really it comes down to growing it. What's the secret to getting your hair? Just growing it, right?
Yeah, grow it.
People say, how long does my hair need to be for it to be down here? I don't know, as long as it takes to grow it. You know, when it's there, right? And the goal of this is Brandon had asked me, you know, how do I get my hair to stay back? You know, because between the kind of work he does, hair may be falling in the face sometimes like this. So, you know, said, Salon Guy, how can I get my hair to stay back and have a good slick back? And I know a lot of you have been asking recently for something like this. In my opinion, as a professional hairstylist, you've got two options when it comes to slicking your hair back. And I have two products that I would suggest in my line, and they're in the crafted lineup that I have. One is my matte pomade. And in my opinion, I can remember making this. It's probably the best matte pomade and such a unique product that I've used in my career. And this was a really, really tough one to make because of how perfect I wanted it. And I said, Brandon, if you want your hair to look like it's slicked back, you have this option or another option, which I'll go over shortly. But the best way I can describe the look that this would give is, imagine if you wash your hair and, you know, it's nice and soft, and then you go out, you're partying, you're doing whatever you gotta do, having a good time, you had a rough night, you go on a bender, and then like the next day your hair is just like slicked back, or it looks a little bit like lived in and almost dirty in a sense. That's what this does. It gives you that like really lived in look, and it really does hold the hair in a way to where it's more of like a matte pomade. So it's a little more slick back without it feeling like a gel. It's more of a matte type of look and feel. So there's one option that you have. Now, the second option, I'll give you this, Brandon, let me take this. The second option, which Brandon seemed to be more interested in, is Power Cream. Now, Power Cream, the best way I can describe this, if you know this product, you know how good it works. I say it's like bulletproof hold. You know, it's a super strong holding cream gel. So what interested Brandon in this is that I said you can apply this to your hair. It's a set it and forget it type of look. So your hair's not gonna be falling flat in your face. It's gonna look good. It's got an incredible smell. It's got really good ingredients. So this is a power type of look, a power type of slick back. That's why I call this Power Cream. So we're gonna go with this one. I'm gonna apply it to Brandon's hair and show you the finished result. So basically you wanna use a good amount. He has a lot of hair and it comes out very, very creamy. I'm just gonna give you this right here. And you wanna work it into your hands. Now the thing that you wanna do, as you see that, is you wanna work it into your hands and then apply it to your hair while it's still wet and creamy, because of the way this product works is once you work it into your hands, it starts to get really, 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 really sticky, and the hold starts to take shape already. So this is one of those products to where you want to get it in that hair relatively fast and then let the product do all the work. So as I'm applying this to Brandon's hair, I'm really making sure that I'm applying it very consistently, but also in a way that once I'm done, then I'm out. I am not touching this again. He's not gonna touch this again. And depending on, obviously, let me take a little more. He has a ton of hair, so you may have to go in and use a little bit more. That's what's great about this. The fact that it is more of a cream type consistency, it works through the hair really, really, really nicely. So, think of this as a gel, but in a cream form. That's gonna give you a lot of hold, and it's really, really just gonna be set in place the whole day. And it's really designed to give you that power kind of slick back look, as you can see that we've achieved here on Brandon's hair. So now that you've seen Brandon's hair in a variety of angles, the application is complete, and it's just now a matter of it drying and forming onto the hair. Once you're done applying it, you want to just really leave it, right? And don't really touch it because it has to dry into place. And then that's when that extreme hold is going to kick in. I invite you to explore and check out the crafted matte pomade if you do want more of that lived in kind of second, third day type of look, Or if you want that extreme hold, then Power Cream. It's a set it and forget it type of hold, and they're available in my shop. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.